Welcome back to our episode of I Don't Know.
Huh?
So here, oh God, why is Pepper have low priority? What did you do?
Wag mo nang tanong.
What did you do?
Meanwhile,
Ito kasi nangyari.
flashback.
Wag mo nang tanong.
End of flashback.
So, 'di ba nagpa-practice ako sa Swift play.
Alright.
Mga around 9. 'Di ba? Mga 9:30 dapat na ako 'yun. May one
Alright.
game lang ako.
Okay.
Biglang nag-brown. Biglang nag-brown. Pagbalik ko sa low prior, goodbye.
Huh?
Na-report ako for leaving the game.
International Living Program.
Huh?
Okay, let me explain bakit 8 minutes. Kasi yung 8 minutes, low prior ako kasi iron lang ako. Itong kasama ko, gold. So,
Stop it. Get some help.